Hi there, and welcome to Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online. My name is Jennifer Dixon, and today I want to talk to you about a pose that you usually only really find in a yin class, but sometimes you can find it at the end of a heated class, a heated power class, or a vinyasa class. It is not a yoga pose in the traditional sense, but it still is a super awesome stretch. It is called Bananasana. But before we go into it, make sure you hit subscribe right there on that button down below so that you can be the first to know every single time we release new content, which is actually several times a week. Not quite every day, but really, really getting closer and closer to it. Again, my name is Jennifer Dixon, and let's go practice Bananasana. Bananasana. So how do you get started? We're going to be on our backs, hands and feet in opposite directions. Honestly, I really love to start out like with a good long body stretch. Sending the fingertips and the toes in the opposite direction. Now what we're going to do is we're going to walk the feet, that right foot first, over towards the right and bring the left one to meet it. Only go so far really where you can keep both feet together. And sometimes I cheat a little bit and I wrap my big toes across each other just to help it stay put. Then you're going to take your hands, clasping your hands if you can overhead, over towards the right. Now, if you can't get that much sensation just taking your hands, what I like to do is shimmy my shoulders over towards the right. We are endeavoring as always, to keep both hips onto the mat as well as both shoulders onto the mat. Our hands and our feet, we're basically making a banana, right? This is called banana pose, or like a little crescent moon, a smiley face crescent moon. This is a really great stretch along that whole left side body. You should feel great stretch on that. The intercostal muscles, all of these obliques, side muscles, all the way down your legs. I even feel this into my ankles and as high as my lats and triceps. It's a beautiful stretch here. You can do this for 3 to 5 minutes, no worries. But I would definitely need some sort of calming, soothing music to hang out here for 3 to 5 minutes. So in that vein, let's come back to center because it's intense. It's a pretty good stretch. And then long body stretch to reset. As we take those feet now, left foot goes over towards the left. And then we bring that right foot as far over as we can to meet it. And again, I sort of cheat and let those toes kind of cross to keep them there. And then we take our hands that are overhead and shimmy them over towards the left. Trying to keep both shoulders on the ground and both hips on the ground. Trying to breathe. You're going to notice that one side is always more tight than the other. And today, apparently, that is this side because this is an intense posture. Your gaze is just kind of up. And if you're anything like me, you're just praying that one day soon, that area at the top of your hips, the bottom of your back, that low back, that kind of the QL range where the sacrum is meeting the pelvis will relax, because that's just one of my chronically tight areas, which is why this posture is so good for you. And that's why I have to tell myself that every single time I practice it. All right, let's come back to center. Long body stretch one more time. Maybe bring the knees into your chest to reset here. And then crisscross rolling up. Thank you so much for watching today's video on Bananasana. My name is Jennifer Dixon. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought of the Bananasana. If it elicited any strong feelings, perhaps. Sometimes it does, especially on my tight side. So yeah, let me know what you liked. And then if there's any pose, any tutorials that you want to hear, go ahead and let me know down below because I would be happy to shoot some videos for you. Thanks again for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll see you again really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.